Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's so good to see you again.
Today, we have something really fun for you. We're going to talk about our favorite English words.
That's right. We all have words that we love. Maybe because they sound nice or because they have a special meaning.
Yes, and learning new words is one of the best ways to make your English stronger and more natural.
In this lesson, we'll share our favorite English words, explain what they mean, and show you how to use them in real conversations.
You'll also practice speaking and repeating after us. So make sure to speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Let's get started.
So, Paul, what's one of your favorite English words?
Hmm. My favorite word is serendipity.
Oh, that's a beautiful word. What does it mean?
Serendipity means finding something good or lucky by accident. For example, if you find a $10 bill on the street, that's serendipity.
Wow, I love that. It's such a positive word. My favorite word is cozy.
Cozy, that's a great one. What does cozy mean?
It means warm, comfortable, and nice, like when you sit with a blanket and a cup of tea on a rainy day.
Ah, yes. Cozy makes me think of winter evenings and good movies.
Exactly. Words can make us feel things, and that's why we love them. Let's look at some favorite words and phrases and how to use them. One, cozy, meaning warm, comfortable, and relaxed. Examples: this room feels so cozy. I love cozy blankets in winter. Let's make our home cozy for the holidays. Two, serendipity, meaning finding something good by accident. Examples: meeting you was pure serendipity. It was serendipity that we found that amazing cafe. Sometimes life surprises you with serendipity. Three, grateful, meaning feeling thankful or appreciative. Examples: I am grateful for my friends. She felt grateful for the sunny weather. Be grateful for what you have. Four, journey, meaning a trip or process of learning or change. Examples: life is a journey, not a race. Our English journey starts today. The journey was long but exciting. Five, peaceful, meaning calm, quiet, and relaxing. Examples: the garden is peaceful in the morning. I feel peaceful when I meditate. Let's take a peaceful walk by the lake.
Setting. Paul and Emily are talking at a cozy cafe.
This coffee shop is so cozy.
Yes, the soft lights and music make it perfect.
I'm grateful we found it. It was pure serendipity.
Haha, yes. We just turned the corner and there it was.
Sometimes the best things happen by accident.
That's the magic of serendipity.
Okay, Paul, what's another favorite word of yours?
I really like the word breeze.
Oh, that's a nice one. Breeze means a light wind, right?
Yes, I love when there's a cool breeze on a hot day.
Same here. My next favorite word is laughter.
That's a beautiful word. Laughter makes people happy.
Yes, laughter reminds me of joy and good times with friends. Six breeze, meaning a light, gentle wind. Examples: a cool breeze came through the window. I love feeling the breeze at the beach. The evening breeze feels wonderful. Seven laughter, meaning the sound of laughing or joy. Examples: their laughter filled the room. Laughter is the best medicine. I miss the laughter of my friends. 8 inspire, meaning to make someone feel motivated or creative. Examples: teachers inspire their students. Her story inspired me to work hard. You inspire me every day. 9 bright, meaning full of light or smart and positive. Examples: the sun is bright today. She has a bright smile. You have a bright future. 10 simple, meaning easy or not complicated. Examples: let's keep it simple. English can be simple if you practice every day. I like simple food, rice and vegetables.
Setting. Paul and Emily take a walk in the park.
What a peaceful day. The breeze feels amazing.
Yes, it's bright and sunny. Perfect weather.
I can hear children's laughter. It makes the park feel alive.
It's so simple but so beautiful.
I feel inspired to write in my journal today.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice some sentences together. Repeat after us, okay?
I feel cozy when I drink hot tea.
I am grateful for my friends.
There's a cool breeze today.
Laughter makes me happy.
My life is a beautiful journey.
That's great. Keep speaking out loud. 11 dream, meaning a wish, goal, or something you see when you sleep. Examples. My dream is to speak English fluently. Never give up on your dreams. I had a funny dream last night. 12 kindness, meaning being nice and caring to others. Examples. Kindness can change the world. She always shows kindness to animals. A little kindness goes a long way. 13 hope, meaning a feeling of wanting something good to happen. Examples. I hope you have a great day. There is always hope. We hope to see you soon. 14. Smile, meaning to make a happy expression with your mouth. Examples. Your smile is beautiful. Don't forget to smile today. A smile can make someone's day better. 15. Calm, meaning relaxed, not worried. Examples. Take a deep breath and stay calm. The ocean makes me feel calm. He spoke in a calm voice. Setting. Paul and Emily are relaxing at home after a long day.
Today was so busy, but now I feel calm.
Same here. I'm grateful for a peaceful evening.
I'm going to write about today in my journal.
Good idea. Writing helps me find hope and calm too.
Let's smile and think about something good.
Like our next English lesson, both laugh.
Okay, friends, let's review what we learned today.
We talked about our favorite English words and how to use them.
Let's remember some of them together. Cozy, serendipity, grateful, journey, peaceful, breeze, laughter, inspire, bright, simple, dream, kindness, hope, smile, calm, Paul. Wow, that's a lot of beautiful words. Yes, these words don't just help your English, they make your heart happy too.
Exactly. Try using 3 of these words in your next English conversation.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed learning these beautiful English words.
Remember, speak every day, even a little bit. Practice makes progress.
And if you liked this lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
We'll see you next time on Mr. English Learning.
Bye, everyone.